20D. So let's go through this pretty quickly. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to start off with MnO4. I'm going to go through and see which way the charges are moving so I know what's oxidation, what's reduction. I'm going to do the half reaction method because that's the only method I know how to do this stuff in. I don't know what I keep talking about in the book. Well, make sure you do the half reaction method. Okay, yeah, I know. So 4 times, see, we got a minus, there we go. There we go. Minus 2 times 4 is a minus 8 for oxygen total, and whatever manganese is going to be minus 1. We're going to end up with a minus 1, which means this is a plus 7. Plus 7 goes to plus 2, which means it's reduction. Has to be reduction because we're going from a more positive to a less positive, which means we're going left on the number line, which means reduction. So let's start off with that. So I got minus 1, and this goes to Mn with a plus 2, plus, and then I'm going to go 4 H2O. Have to go 4 H2O to get the number of oxygens to balance out. And then that means 8 H pluses to get the number of hydrogens balanced out. And then I must go with 5 extra electrons here on the left-hand side because it's reduction. Okay, reduction means red. Get it? Red and reduction. Okay, so moving on, that's it for reduction. Everything's good there. So we'll go green oxidation, Cl to minus 1. We know what Cl is. That's a minus 1. Cl2 is 0. So we're going from a minus 1 to 0, which is moving to the right. Now I need to balance this. So I have 2 here, which means on this side here I need 2 electrons. Now, this is, so we're good. There's no oxygen with this, so we don't have to worry about doing the water and the H pluses. So I multiply this whole thing here by 5, and I multiply this whole thing here by 2, which gets rid of that. So this means 10. Where are we at here? 10 Cls and 5 Cl2s. That means 16 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 8 here. So this is going to be a pretty easy, pretty quick problem. 16 H pluses plus 2 MnO4 minuses plus 10 Cl minuses. And then on the other side, I have 2 Mn plus 2s plus 5 Cl2s plus 8 H2Os, and that's it. Well, let's go through and count the number of oxygens because that's what I do. 10 times 2, or I'm sorry, 4 times 2 is 8 oxygens here. I don't see any other oxygens, and 8 times 1 is 8 oxygens here, so we're balanced on both sides. All right, that was pretty quick.